We begin this evening with the latest from the One Don Gang trial. The Home Circuit Court today heard more than an hour of secret recordings between the former Don turned state witness and alleged gang members. Raquel Porter has the details in this report.
In the April 23, 2019 cell phone recording, Stephanie Christie was heard saying that she will be praying and fasting for the release of Andre Blackman Brand, who had been in police custody. That telephone call was between the state witness, one of the defendants identified as City Puss, and Miss Christie. Miss Christie said she used $60,000 from her salary to cover the legal expenses of an alleged gang member. At that time, she was an employee at the Ministry of Justice. While describing disloyal members of the gang, she described one of the defendants, who she referred to as Sickhead, as an idiot. She said he telephoned her requesting Andre Brand's number. In the recording, she said she was nearly second in command to City Puss and described herself as being first and willing to conduct the gang's affairs at any time of the night. While the recording was being played, Miss Christie was seen clutching a notepad and taking notes. During the conversation, City Puss was disconnected. The witness reconnected him, at which point he said he agreed that members of the gang were disloyal. It was also revealed that the gang was in shambles and needed to recruit youngsters who City Puss said, quote, who no know nothing, end quote. He also said being a member of the criminal organization was a career. Interestingly, City Puss was in police custody when the conversation was recorded. At one point, he was heard hurling expletives and described the prosecution's first witness as a liar and a thief. While that section of the recording was being played, Mr. Brand was seen with his hands to his face. In the 77-minute recording, Stephanie Christie is also heard telling City Puss and the state witness that a police officer told her that a member of the Klansman gang was a witness against convicted gang leader Tesha Miller. Miss Christie, who is also referred to as Mama, said, quote, Ziggy a eyewitness pan Tesha, a police me get that from, end quote. Tesha Miller was sentenced in 2020 to 38 years and 9 months in prison for the murder of Jamaica Urban Transit Company Chairman Douglas Chambers. The trial continues on Friday. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.